Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. As you can see here, we have the two most popular and affordable smartwatch in the market for 2024 and 2023-2024. We have the Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro, and we also have here the Colmi P71 Smartwatch. Although this one released the end of 2023, but still one of the popular affordable smartwatch for 2024. And we have here the Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro, a 2024 smartwatch from Zeblaze. So we are going to compare the design of both smartwatches as well as the menus and features offered for each smartwatch. So we are going to check on that. So if you have any questions regarding the video comparison, okay, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, let's start. Okay, so we have here the two smartwatch packaging. We have the Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro. That's much better, I think. It is more elegant compared to the simple P71. Most of the Colmi smartwatches right now do have this almost the same style of packaging. Okay, so we have here some features for the Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro. We have an AMOLED screen display, Bluetooth call support 24/7, health management, and multiple sports mode. At the back, we have some details but not complete. Okay, while for the Colmi P71, you can see the specs right away. You have here 1.9-inch 240 by 284 pixel resolution, IP68, and we have here some features: Bluetooth call support, push notification, sports mode, as well as health monitoring. Okay, so when it comes to design, okay, both do have a sporty look. Okay, lightweight body frame, and as you can see here, the button for the GTS 3 Pro is on the center, while for the Colmi P71 is on the upper, okay, side. Okay, but when it comes to the design, okay, it's different. Curve rounded for the Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro, while for the Colmi we do have a flat body frame with curve or corner. Okay, PC material for the P71, while for the GTS 3 Pro we do have a PC material here at the back, but metal bezel. Okay, so both do have a beautiful screen display. Let me change this one. Okay, can we change it? Yes. Okay, it is almost the same when it comes to length here, but the width, it has a much wider body for the P71. Okay, so let's have a closer look. Okay, thickness is almost the same. It's a bit heavy for the GTS 3 due to the metal body frame, while for the P71, it's very lightweight. Okay, both do have a quick release pin for its strap, and it uses a magnetic pogo pin charger. Okay, beautiful. Both do have a beautiful looking design. Okay, for the screen display, we do have an AMOLED for the GTS 3 Pro, while for the P71 we do have, I think it is IPS if I'm not mistaken, with a 240 by 284 pixel resolution. So the screen display goes to the GTS 3 Pro with a beautiful black border here. As you can see, it is proportioned compared to the Colmi P71 with a much wider, okay, black border on the bottom part. Okay, again, let's have a look at the design. Okay, anyway, still each smartwatch do look okay or good. It is so far lightweight compared to other wearables, and it looks elegant. Okay, and they both have a flexible silicone strap, but I love the GTS 3 Pro here. Somewhat like combination of leather and silicone strap. Okay, it is much more elegant. Okay, for the UI, so let's check. On top, let's see, we do have here the quick settings. Quick settings also, both do have a full, okay, brightness screen. And on the bottom part, if you notice on the video, seems like there's a flicker for the Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro, but you don't notice it, yeah, on the actual. Okay, well, for the Colmi P71, it is pretty smooth here. Okay, on the bottom part, we have the notifications. Okay, so it's almost the same with an option to remove or delete the messages here. You can both read the messages on the smartwatch, but you cannot reply to it. Okay, on the left side, we have split screen. How about this one? Nope, we do have the menu. Okay, on the other side, we have the different features here. Okay. Okay, going back to access the main menu, just press. Okay, this one and this one. I think just press the power button. So we have here the different menus and features. So both do have the sports section, Bluetooth phone call, as you can see here, voice assistant, workout. So let's see first the sports here. Okay, we have walking, running, cycling. They almost have the same icon here. Hiking. Okay. The Colmi P71 do have a much comprehensive list of sports function, as you can see here. Okay. For the Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro, it is limited only to how many sports? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sports. For the P71, it has a very good list of sports functions, as you can see here. Okay, you still have other sports here. It's categorized into different, okay, categories, as you can see here. From running sports, cycling sports, outdoor sports, indoor dance, fight sports, ball sports, and snow sports. So if you love to work out and you have a lot of sports, I guess the P71 is for you. Okay, so a win here for the P71. Heart rate, let's see the UI. So a different UI here. You can see the graphs here on the Colmi P71. How about here? Yes, we also have here on the GTS 3 Pro. On back, we also have sleep monitoring, blood pressure, Zen mode, messages, push notifications, weather. Okay, they almost have the same options here or menu. Okay, we have a calculator. This is the calendar. On back. So as you can see here, they almost have the same offering, except for the sports section. Music, female, health, and settings. For the settings, let's see. So we have different menu style. So theme here. So 4 options here. While for the P71, we also have 6. Okay, but you can see right away the design compared to the GTS 3 Pro. Okay, again, it's a win here for P71. Time format, date format, set time, password. We don't have password here or security for the P71, but we have it here on the GTS 3 Pro. Reset, shutdown, system info. Okay, we have the QR code, language support. We have it here. Yes, we also have the language support. But there's a lot of options for the P71. Okay. As you can see here, seems like the design of the P71 and the material is inferior compared to the GTS 3 Pro, but the features offered here in the Zeblaze or in the P71 is much better, I think. Okay. Preferences, theme, but not all. Okay. The Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro do have a very good sensor as well as the screen display. Again, let's take a look at the menus here. Okay, so different style, but they almost offer the same features like voice assistant. We also have it here. Also have blood oxygen monitoring and blood pressure. Okay, so which do you think is better? We also have breath training, timer, remote camera control, music control function. We also have it here. Okay, so that's it for the comparison review of the menus and features of Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro compared to the Colmi P71 Smartwatch. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this video review, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.